This is actually a very vast topic, and we're going to give a quick overview. There are whole conferences and seminars and classes that are offered on how to set up your LinkedIn. So I want you to be able to have some basic skills so you can get in there and do something right away, but then be sure that you look for more expert and advanced resources. So I'm sure you've heard of LinkedIn, and this is probably one of the most valuable tools for professionals. To date, you may not have much on LinkedIn, or maybe you don't even have a need for it. I was just speaking to my daughter the other day, who is a college senior, and she still did not have her LinkedIn account. She said that she hadn't had a need for it. Now, I was very unhappy about that, and I urged her to really get in there and get it set up, which she did. And the problem was that she really didn't realize or recognize the value that it would add to her professional career immediately. Let's look a little deeper into what is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a professional social networking platform, and it really enables professionals to connect. But it's more than just a networking platform. It has many features. For instance, you're going to start with a home page. This is the landing page where you will first come when you open up. This is my landing page on LinkedIn. You're going to see there's my picture, my title. You're also going to see that there are a few things there about me, but this is also kind of like your highlights of what's going on in your professional life, the people you know, contacts, and even articles. You also have a profile page. Think about your profile page as an online resume. This is all about you. It demonstrates your personal experience, courses, publications, education, and even opens up opportunities for you to post things which are of value to you. You can network. These are people who are connected to you. So you're going to look at that. So on the right-hand side of your profile page, you will see a list of people who may be connected to you through someone else. Job search. Did you know that? Yes, LinkedIn offers job opportunities. You can look for jobs through LinkedIn. There are quick applications. This is one of my favorite benefits. Since your LinkedIn profile is your online resume, many companies now permit job searchers to simply connect your information to their job posting by the click of a button. How could job searching get any easier? So don't forget to get online and do some looking around. LinkedIn is an incredible tool with many different resources. So we talked about a few things, but why else would you want to use LinkedIn? Besides networking, did you know that 70 to 80% of all jobs come through networking? Isn't that phenomenal? In fact, I was talking to my daughter the other day who's already started her career. She said that every job she has ever had has come through networking or a referral of someone else. Phenomenal, isn't it? Now that alone should be enough to get us using LinkedIn. But it's also a hiring tool, a marketing tool, a job searching tool, a resume tool, a career guidance tool. So be sure to investigate it and create your own list of what resources you like most. LinkedIn actually is very simple to use, and LinkedIn provides easy tools to guide you through the process of creating up your own profile. It's not difficult, but I do have a few of my favorite tips. Now, I want you to know it does take time to make an incredible page, and the wonderful thing about LinkedIn is that they will rate your page. Did you know that? It's kind of cool. So be sure to take the time to look it up and to be able to see what the different status links are. So don't sit down and whip up a few things in a few minutes. Instead, take some time and actually schedule time periodically. Once you have it running and everything is done that you think you can do, then go back in and remember to add some accomplishments, memberships, publications, courses you took in college. There's actually a long list of items that you can add to your LinkedIn profile. One of my favorite things to share with you is the custom URL. Did you know that you could do that? Let me show you mine. My LinkedIn page has my name instead of a list of random numbers and letters. Pretty cool, huh? So how do you get your custom URL? On the Edit Profile screen at the bottom of the gray window that shows your basic information, you will see a public profile URL. Click Edit next to the URL. Change the URL to what you'd like it to say, and then click Set Custom URL. You're finished. It's that easy. Use a good photo. Don't use the photo from your wedding or graduation. Don't use a selfie you took at a party. Some career centers will offer services to help you in getting a good picture for LinkedIn. Check it out. Make sure. Use a headline to attract. Avoid using your job title though. Try something new. My headline is up here. My headline says, Educator, Student Success, and Learning Style Specialist. Don't forget to add summaries and job descriptions. You should also be able to, or be sure to, include numbers, data, and statistics to highlight your success and your performances. Think of your profile as that online resume. Keep that in your mind all the time. I know I've said that ridiculously amount of times, but it's important for you to remember that. You want to remember that because you want to be professional. Always be professional. This is not the platform to discuss last night's party or how horrible a professor may have graded your work. Remember that future employers will see everything you write. You want to attract future jobs and employers. Always use the first person. Don't be afraid to use the word I, but be discerning in recognizing the importance of not taking credit for something you may not have done alone. Show your achievements. There are sections which allow you to spotlight what you've done above and beyond your normal job requirements. Media. Did you know you could do that? You can, so check it out. Recommendations. Have colleagues recommend you on LinkedIn. This is like having a reference section in one place. So as you can see, LinkedIn can be a valuable networking and even a professional tool. Get online and set yours up today.